Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? I'm making a video about my favorite dealership, Rocky's Harley Davidson in London, Ontario. Let's go in. Let's start with the lounge. It's comfortable, cozy, a lot of space to hang out. There's water, coffee, and tea, but the best thing, according to my wife, is popcorn. Motorcycle selection is really good, not like during COVID. This one's my favorite, the Baja Orange Road Glide Special. It's got a lot of features, hence the price tag. Boom. Another bike that I liked, two-tone Road Glide Special, blacked out, a little bit cheaper than the other one. Other than the bikes, they have motor clothes, of course, like this 120 anniversary shirt. Here's more samples like the t-shirts. Quite a bit of choices. Good selection of gloves and other goodies. Little bit of knickknacks here and there. Overall, it's a very nice dealership. Check it out, Rocky's Harley Davidson.